Shit's nice. I haven't filmed on the G7X in forever. This lens is so dirty, guys, so if you guys see a bunch of crap or the lens glare, I apologize. Tunnel coming up, it's a must do. I'm sorry, just have to do it for the one time. Hell, I just pulled up. What the heck? Look at this. Riley took Nizo's car to the meet. They're gonna take it.
Where's Nizo? Working?
Yeah, he's working.
What happens?
Cobra graveyard. We got Jared and not Nizo pulling up today.
Why am I never seeing?
Yeah, it's our car. We share it now.
All right, we got some of the homies that pulled up. We got Abraham, Jared, Riley. We're gonna give the Mach 1 a quick wash. All right, guys, so we just finished up washing all the cars. We're about to head out to the meet right now. We just finished up washing the Mach 1. I gave the Shelby a quick little hand wash. Well, I gave the wheels a little wash because they're stupid dirty, but everything's looking good. The Mach's looking amazing. Really cleaned up. We got the Cobra right there. And the Shelby's wheels are a bitch to clean, so thanks for Jared for helping. I was kidding. We cleaned the Shelby up, so take it out to the meet. The grabber blue shining. What flavor are we rocking today?
Peach mango. You already know if you don't drink.
If you don't drink bang, you can't hang. Hi to the vlog.
Oh shit.
High five. Mach 1 rolling hard. We got the Shelby rolling.
Same old tired, lonely place.
Alright, so we're about to pull up to the meet. We got a little McLaren up in the mix. Damn, that shit is so nice. Holy shit. Look at that shit, guys. God damn. Shit's nice. Woo. Chris just pulled up randomly. Sheesh, we got the stock SVT gang. Alright, now we're rolling hard. We got all the Shelbys about to pull up right now. This meet should be pretty cool, so I'm excited. It's at a park local to us, so it's a pretty big meet. And I think it's a big ass turnout. There's gonna be awards, everything, so let's just enjoy today. We got SRT Nico right there. Sheesh, the hell Keezy. Up to the meet. We got Freck Dick Films. What's good? Yo, what's goody? How's it going, man?
What you doing?
Good, good. Okay, okay. We're united.
I was gonna say, why is your hood?
Yo, we got flexing. We got the boy Abe Shelby, Chris's Shelby right there. Pull up to the meet. We got blue. Was good. Oh shit, Supra. Damn, looks fire.
It's like a real truck now. Like rocks. Park in the grass.
What's up? What's up, baby? What's going on? How's it going, man?
No more Mustang?
No more Mustang.
C8.
Should have got fucking Mach out here.
Can't find parking or what?
I got a parking space over there.
Okay, all right.
Oh shit.
Shit. Just so loud. have parked over there, but it's packed, bro. It's packed.
What the fuck happened?
Dude, it blew up. This whole meet's fucking, I know.
You guys on a 10 or what?
Yeah, you can try to park over there. Yeah, just, it's packed. Yeah.
Thank you.
Damn. GT3RS right here. Oh shit. If it weren't for him, we would have no drone footage.
No drone footage for the turnout, bro.
So, shout out to my top. What's your IG?
MC Holla, bro. Add me on Snapchat.
Add me on Snap.
I'm saying, you see it,
Saved
bro.
us with the Mavic Pro.
What does that say, bro?
The Mavic Mini 4K.
You know what I'm saying? We do not play out here, bro.
What's good? What's poppin'? How you doing? You guys just got here or what?
No, I'm big as a...
What happened? Oh my god. Yo, that shit is so loud. That shit is